Alrighty, we have our parking brake set up. As you can see, it's got some plate welded to the trans tunnel to kind of support it because this is only 20 gauge, I believe. And then I welded some nuts onto the back side so you don't have to get a friend underneath. We welded the flat bar to the bracket here, the little support piece in there, and then welded across the bottom. Welded some washers onto it as well, just because the 1/4 inch hole and the 1/2 inch wide flat bar doesn't really give you a whole lot of extra material, so we just did that. Should help out. Probably doesn't need it, but I mean, whatever. We reused the Mustang cable, as you saw in the last video, because it was long. It was planning to go onto the passenger side, so we cut it down to here. I welded a 1/2 inch nut to the cable itself because it's steel, inner liner, and then welded the stub of a bolt with a hole drilled in the center to here, so you can just kind of hand tighten that on. And then this side, if you remember, was threaded for 14x1 because I had a nut and I didn't need to machine it down to thread it. So yeah, we tightened that down so that kind of stops it twisting, because the heat from welding kind of annihilated the plastic ribbing. It wanted to kind of uncoil and go on a straight line to here. So we just added this little clip here. That's the clip that actually comes with the Mustang cables, or on your Mustang. Well, the nut on the back side supports it. So yeah, we have it. As you can see, though, the left side is pulling more. So that'd be the driver's side. Yeah, and this one, need to go up a little bit. Do that. And now it's solid, but the other side we can move. So it means something's not going right on the inside of that brake. So we'll take the calipers off and we'll have a look in there and see what's going on. Who knows, it might have just unhooked from the assembly. Or I may have never hooked it up when I was dicking around with it because all that had to come out. And it's been a while, but yeah, I think it's going to be alright. I'll find some interior plastic or something just to shove under here as a block to help it slide so it's not steel on steel, and to hopefully help with kind of the vibrations when you're going down the road and it's not slamming. But yeah, that's calling it for today because it's too hot to work. But yeah, tell me what you think. We're going to redo that. That's going to get redone. I got something coming in the mail. But yeah. Any questions, concerns, put them down below and I'll get back to you. We're also going to clean up that, give a nicer kind of transition. I got some elbows, like some 90s that I'll probably slice open and weld to there, and it'll look a bit nicer. But yeah, smell you later.